Hi, my name is Peter Skytte. I'm here on Martin Professional's booth on Plaza Show 2011, where we have the official launch of our new Mac Aura. But first of all, when we started to design the Mac Aura, what we wanted to achieve was to take all the benefits of the LED lights we have today, but remove all the disadvantages. We wanted to create a light that looks like a real wash light. That means if you have a fixture doing an orange beam, we want to see a lens which is circular and which has the same color as the orange beam. One of the ideas was to add an additional set of LEDs, some sort of like background or glow LEDs that sits behind the other optical system. And that's what we call the Aura eye candy system. So let me explain how the Aura eye candy system works. If you imagine it's a set of individual LEDs which can illuminate the lens. So in fact the way it can be used is that you can use the fixture not as a lighting fixture, but you can use it as a scenic element to fill up, for example, black holes on the stage, to pixel map it, or in whichever way you want to use it. But it's a pixel in the scenic elements. With the Aura, we can also mix the background light, the Aura light, with the beam. And this way we create some really unique eye candy effects. We get a totally unique look in the lens, which is very pleasing to the eye. The way you work with the zoom, the way you work with the colors, you can make really subtle looks. So it just brings the fixture a little bit more alive. Or you can make it a lot more radical, so it's really like a visible effect on the lighting show, something that you really see. The two lighting systems, the beam lights and the Aura background lights, merge together into the front lens. You have a really good view angle on it, so no matter where you are in the audience or where the camera is, you can actually see the whole light illuminated. You can pixel map all your Aura backlighting, and then you can control your beams from, for example, your console. So you can add your video content in the background on your Aura, and then have all the beams doing the actual lighting on the stage. We have built in an effects engine, so you have a channel where you can have easy control of this Aura LED, so you don't have to do the programming all the time. So for example, I can say I want to have my Aura LED system linked to my beam color. So whenever the beam is red, my Aura LED is also red. Then I can, on a fader, I can put an offset. So imagine you have like a color circle. So if I give a little bit of an offset, I switch the color of my